There we go.
Recording in progress.
There we go. So, welcome to our 15-minute team huddle. So, most of you already know me, right? Because I either personally sponsored you or you actually fall up under Sharita's downline as well. So, these are designed every Sunday just to give you updates and to give any housekeeping, anything like that, to make sure we're all on the same page, because everyone on this Zoom and everyone that falls under myself or Sharita Grant, we all are actually helping each other. So I want to make sure we're all on the same page. So remember, I check in with a lot of you every single week. But remember, if you ever have any questions, definitely let me know. So the first thing I want to do is go over a few like housekeeping, admin type stuff. You know, it's the military in me. So the first thing is, if you ever need to update your auto ship, right? So all you have to do when you're on your main page and you log in, all of you should already know your login page. You want to come down and click on Edit Auto Ship. Now I'm not going to scroll too much because it's going to show my address. So I'm going to scroll just a little bit right there. So at the bottom right hand, it says Auto Ship Details. You want to click on Edit Auto Ship. All right. Once you click on Edit Auto Ship, I need to log back in. So let me log back in real quick. Okay, now it's showing our eyes. Let's refresh this for a moment. Let's refresh it. Now you can see how it looks from the start. All right, log in. There we go. So at the bottom where it says Auto Ship Details, you want to come down. So I'm going to come down just a little bit. Right here it says Edit Auto Ship. So when you go in to edit your auto ship, only thing you want to do, if you're going to be using your credit card, you'll do credit card. If anyone ever, say for instance, you start to get commissions, you can always use it from your personal account also. So you can choose any one of them and click on Update Auto Ship Pay Method. Okay. Another thing, if you ever want to know when your auto ship is due, it's always located the same place at the bottom. Right here where it says auto ship, it's always going to tell you when the next one is due. Okay. So make sure you always have that updated. So the next thing I want to go over. All right. The next thing I want to go over is something that we're going to start for our traders. Okay. We do a lot about building, a lot about marketing, right? But I want to make sure, because you guys are actually paying for the tools, that you're utilizing the tools, because we know that the tools actually work, but they only work when you're actually using them. So what I want to do, we're put together called the 30-day trading blitz. Okay. It starts today and it goes until September 27th. Now, for those that are able to commit to this for 30 days, you will receive, I'll be ordering some xtreamfx merchandise like t-shirts, stuff like that for you all. So you will have that if you're able to go through this every 30 days. So what this means is, for the requirements, is every single day for the next 30 days starting today, you do at least one thing, just one thing that goes towards trading. Okay. So whether it's for those, it's we're going to start having this call being more people on it. So whether it's open up a demo account, okay, watching one academy video a day. Remember, the academy videos are like under 10 minutes. Choosing one live training that you're going to watch, whether it's our mentor Mr. Kill Bay training, whether it's the New York session training, whatever it is, just choose one that you're going to watch. Mark up one chart daily. Place one trade utilizing the trade ideas. And then as you do this stuff, you can post the screenshots in the Forex Vibes Telegram group. But I've also created a Google form for you to just click that you did it. It's going to help you stay accountable, because I promise you, right? I promise you, over the next 30 days, if you're doing at least one of these tasks every single day, you're going to start to see some type of increase in your trading account. But you have to commit to do it for 30 straight days. Okay. So we know we don't trade over the weekends unless we're doing, cryptocurrency, but you can still watch one academy video. Okay. You can still mark up one chart. Like, we're keeping it very minimal so I can show you all that the simple stuff is what actually helps you all. All right. So next 30 days is our trading blitz. Like I said, starts up today. And then it can count towards, let me sound this for you all. It can count towards, you being on this call, or we have our 8 o'clock Spartan call, which you being on that. So any one of those you count for today, and then tomorrow starts up your different requirements. For those able to commit to it, like I said, after 30 days, you will get some kind of xtreamfx merchandise, whether it's t-shirt, hat, keychain, whatever it is, your choice, right? And it's just telling you thank you for actually committing to this and just participating in your own journey. All right. The next thing, every single week, if you notice over the past 2 weeks, I've been putting in homework, because I want to show you all that this stuff works, but you have to put in the work. That's the only way it's going to work. So every single week, I normally post on Sundays, I put the homework in there. The homework naturally goes along with the emails you get every single day from corporate telling you what to do for new members. It goes right along with that. And then it also goes along with our Sparta trading plan. So everything kind of goes right here together. So this week homework, if you haven't completed if you already completed this, then you do have the homework for this week, okay? But if you have not, you're gonna want you to start with this one, and we're all gonna start on the same page because we're going through this for the 30 days. So anything I recommend for you all to do, I'm doing the exact same thing, trust me. And I'm gonna post it inside the Telegram group so you all can see it. So this week homework, because remember it's a 30-day trading blitz, is to but go ahead and set your trading goal. So whether it's 1%, 3% daily, or 1 to 3% a week, let's go for that. You want to watch your academy videos. You're going to be doing this already because remember, it goes hand in hand with the blitz. You want to choose 1 to 3 Forex pairs you're going to trade for the week. I recommend, if we stick with our mentor, Mr. Kilbay, choose one. Okay, choose one, learn that one, go all in on learning that one, but you can take any of the ones from the Trade Idea groups. You want to make sure that you watch the proper risk management recording, because if you're on this call or whoever's going to be watching this recording, if you're on here, what you're going to notice is you will never blow an account, because you're going to practice proper risk management, and that comes with understanding, overstanding, understanding the MetaTrader 4 platform. So what do you find at the proper risk management recording? Come back over here to your back office. Come down to where it says affiliate members or education, depending on which package that you have. Click on the affiliate part or education student part. You want to come down, okay? It's under live session archives. Once you click on live session archives, it's going to load for you. It's going to load, and that's moving a little slow because we're on Zoom, but it's definitely going to load. Once it loads, you're going to see one that's titled Proper Risk Management, but they also do it every Monday and Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern time, okay? So all you want to do is click on the view all. You come down, see the different ones here. Just scroll down. You got your fast start. Make sure you watch your fast start. But any other sniper training actually have your proper risk management. So watch any one of these. Remember, you can watch them throughout the day or whenever you want to, but watch any one of them. But right here is the main one, proper risk management. This is where she goes into detail about everything. So if you don't really understand MetaTrader 4, what the numbers mean and how to know if you're over leveraging or if you're about to blow your account, you want to watch that video. Okay, so we got that covered. All right, so that's your homework. The next thing you want to make sure, this is easy, simple money. It's simple stuff. So especially start off in your demo account first, and then once you're consistent in your demo account, transition over to your live account. So make sure you're placing your copy and paste trades. Simple, simple, simple money. I'll be sending, some of y'all send me the screenshots. Simple stuff. Just copy exactly what they tell you to do. The only caveat, I would recommend you go for 10 pips, because all of them are going to go at least 10 pips before they even turn around. So if you're going to be taking a copy paste trades, go for 10 pips and then go and get out the trade. All right. And then of course, for those going to be learning strategy, make sure it says watch Asian live session. That's our mentor, Mr. Akil Bay. Go over there and watch that and start learning the 7-step strategy. Okay. Between the 7-step strategy and the above below. Yeah. Remember, those are Spartan strategies. You will see some success. Okay. But just learn it first. And while you're learning, take the copy and paste trades. There's nothing wrong with that. Like, I don't mind copying just to get some extra money. And then as you learn either one or the two strategies, it's going to make a lot more sense. Okay. But the most two simplest strategies that I know, the 7 steps, right? We learn it every day. And the above below, which is actually learning every day as well. Because remember, on our Sparta universe, Monday through Thursday at 8 a.m. Eastern time, 7 CST for my Islanders, right? They're going over the above below strategy, which is the most simplistic strategy I ever seen. So learn any one of those and you'll be good to go. All right. So as you do your homework, you can post, screenshots or send me a message, send Sharita a message saying, hey, I completed my homework, so we can keep you accountable. Because the whole thing is this 30-day blitz. All right. Because I promise you, right? I give you my word. Like, after you finish this, you will be seeing some type of success, whether it's in your demo account or live account. All right. So make sure you're doing that. Another thing. So the next thing is for those that's going to be building. Okay. Some of you already talked to. We got an actual game plan going on, and you're going to be close to get hidden tradesman real soon. Is what I've noticed that's been working. All right. Let me and Sharita help you all out. Okay. Because a lot of you follow under Sharita, a lot of you follow under myself. What I've been doing every 2 weeks, okay, I do a free 3-day class, and this is for prospects. And what I've noticed is when they go through this class, they kind of can already see what it is we offer and see how simple trading Forex can be. And on the 3rd day of class, I do a presentation. And that's where I've been getting the sign up from. Okay, that's what I've been getting all the leads and stuff from. So what I'm doing, I tested out for like the past couple of months just to make sure before I bring it to you all that it works. So what I want to do is open this up to everyone, because like I said, all of us on the line, even just going to watch the recording, we all help each other. Okay, we all fall somewhere in one of the downlines. Okay, and we all ultimately are helping each other. So if you have anyone that you come across, right, they're like, hey, I'm going to be interested in Forex or whatever it is, right? And let me know. Personally send me or Shrita a message and let us know. And we're going to add them into the Telegram group. And from there, I'm going to do all the work for you. Okay? But you have to let me know, because that way I can know, hey, I'm sending them your personal sign-up link. All right? So for those that have people that's going to be interested, you want to work it this way, what I do the first day, I go over Forex basics for them. The second day, I show them how to utilize MetaTrader 4 and how to mark up a chart utilizing the above below, because I'm showing them how simple it can be. Then after then, in one moment, there we go. After that, on the third day, I show them the presentation. Okay, by the time they see the presentation, they're ready to get started, because I've already showed them how simple it can be. So for you all to leverage that, all you have to do, let myself know or Shrita know, hey, I have people interested, and we'll get the information. We'll get your personal sign-up link, and we'll work it from there. Okay, and all you're doing is inviting them to the free 3-day class that I do every 2 weeks. All right, I do the same thing every 2 weeks, and it's been working. All right, so it's just gonna be for those that are actually building. Now, for those that are not inside the Discord group, please get inside the Discord group, because in here, remember I spoke about that above below training. Remember, it's every day except for Friday. Every day, Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. Eastern time, and it's located under the announcement section. Also, too, I think I sent you all inside the Telegram group. You'll get it also. It's right in the announcement section. Anything we're ever doing, you're going to see it posted right here. Okay, so you see we had a call last night. You see it's posted right here. So anytime you ever need anything, come right here to the Discord group and you're going to see it. If you do not have access to the Discord group, let myself know or let Shrita know, and we'll get you added into that. Okay, so go through the Discord group. And then the last thing, but not least, the last thing is for those that are actually in Atlanta, make sure this is like a key thing here. Especially for those that's like, hey, I want to build so I can just be able to fund my trading account. Come to these Saturday trainings. Right now they're small, but they're going to be growing. And right now you're getting in it from the start. So instead of, always talking about doing PBRs, inviting people to your house, instead now we have an actual location to invite people to. So imagine you put them inside the free 3-day training, right? They're like, I'm not really started yet. And then for those in Atlanta, you invite them to our actual in-person training. They're going to get started. Okay, I've been witnessing over and over again. And for Atlanta, I know it says Virginia Avenue, but we're actually moving over to Camp Creek. So it's a much better location for you all. All right, so make sure you're utilizing the tools. So just to recap, all right, make sure your auto ship is good to go. You want to make sure, I'm going to post this inside the Telegram group for everyone inside the WhatsApp group for my Islanders. I got y'all covered. Puts inside the WhatsApp group as well. And this is the 30-day trading blitz that we're on. And in case you missed it, we're going starting from today all the way to September 27th. We're going every single day doing something with trading. And to keep you accountable with it, I'm going to post a Google form inside the Telegram group and our WhatsApp group, and you just click that and fill it out every single day. So you have to be doing one thing towards trading every single day, and I promise you're going to do so well in trading. All right, and the reward that you're going to get afterwards is some type of XtreamFX merchandise. All right, so it could be a hat, like I said, t-shirt, whatever it is, you're going to get something to reward you. On top of that, your trading account is growing, but you get double rewards. Okay, so that is all that I have for this Sunday. We're going to do this every Sunday. Like if I see any new updates come upon, because this group is going to grow. So I want to make sure that us that is here from the start, that we have like an advantage, okay? Because you all have been showing up, you all have been with us, been rocking with us. So I want to make sure I started today so that now as we grow, you all will be in a better position. And like I said, everyone that's on this line is watch the recording. We all benefit from each other. That's why we're starting this on Sundays, okay? Now, have any questions before I close it out? If so, let me know. And also, before I jump off, Sharita, do you have anything to add?
Hey, Keisha. Not at this moment. Nothing significant for the group.
Okay. All right. Well,
Hi, Kish, how are you?
Oh, there we go. Hey, Neil, how's it going?
I'm not bad. I was having challenges getting on, but I finally get on. I missed most of what you're saying there, but I have some persons I want to set up a Zoom with, possibly one day this week. So let me know.
Okay, okay. So right after the call, I'm gonna text you, and I
All
got you. All right. Anybody else got anything before we close it out? Going once, going twice. All right, so I appreciate each and last one of you for jumping on this Sunday, and I'm not going to hold you long like I promised. All right, so remember, next Sunday, set your timers, 3 o'clock p.m. We're going to hop on, or 2 p.m. for my Islanders. We're going to hop on 15 minutes, go over everything, give you the updates, and you will be good to go. It's recording as soon as it's ready. As soon as it's ready, I'm going to drop inside the Telegram group and the WhatsApp group. All right, so if you have any questions after the fact, let myself know or Shrita know, and we got you covered. So I wish you all a blessed, prosperous, and wonderful rest of your Sunday.